Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 4.2 and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device and also remove a screen lock on top of that. So as you will see, there is a screen lock on this device right there, and I'm going to progress as though I don't know it. So number one, you want to shut off the device, so hold power key and select power off, and then you also need a cable, plug it into your computer. So let me just grab mine. Okay, so as you can see, one that I use for charging, just have it ready, and you want to plug it in to your device. There we go. Give it a moment, it will show that it's charging in a second, like so. So once you see that it's charging, you want to then hold power key and the volume down, both of these keys at the same time. And you'll see that we're now in the boot mode. So from here, using volume down only, let me just unplug it, it's not needed anymore. So I want to use volume down only to navigate, like so, and you want to select recovery mode. You can see it right here on the top, recovery mode in red. So once you see that, press power key and wait for the device to boot into the recovery mode. So before we actually access the recovery mode, you need to get past this, so hold power key and tap volume up once, like so. And from here, you will want to use volume keys to navigate in order to select wipe data factory reset. And when selected, press power key, and once more select yes using volume keys and then power key. And at the bottom, you will see data wipe complete. And reboot system now should be selected by default, so all you need to do now is press power key once more and wait for the device to reboot. So now the process will continue in the background, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device. So I'm gonna go fairly quickly through it, just so I can show that there is no more lock screen. Yeah, so almost done. And as you can see, I'm on the home screen, so now if I lock the device, you will also see that there's no more lock screen. So this is how you would perform a hard reset of the device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.